Topic 1. OpenAI's release of GPT-5 marks a significant advancement in AI capabilities, continuing to fuel innovations like ChatGPT. OpenAI has achieved a significant advancement in AI technology with the release of GPT-5. This model is faster and more accurate than its predecessors, excelling particularly in writing, coding, and health-related inquiries. OpenAI is offering GPT-5 for free to all users, and it includes a vibe coding feature that allows users to generate software. Designed to reduce the hallucination problem in AI, GPT-5 aims to provide safer responses. CEO Sam Altman describes GPT-5 as a crucial step towards artificial general intelligence, emphasizing that interacting with it is akin to conversing with a PhD-level expert. The model is expected to enhance the user experience of ChatGPT and further expand the potential of AI, solidifying OpenAI's position as a leader in the AI industry. Topic 2. Trump's nomination of Stephen Miran to the Federal Reserve Board and his influence on economic policies. President Donald Trump announced the nomination of Stephen Miran as a temporary member of the Federal Reserve Board of Governors. Miran has been a strong supporter of Trump's economic policies as the chair of Trump's Economic Advisory Council, particularly criticizing tariff policies and the independence of the Federal Reserve. His appointment is seen as an opportunity to strengthen Trump's influence over the Fed, as Trump desires lower interest rates. Miran is expected to vote in favor of rate cuts, aligning with Trump's economic agenda. However, his nomination raises concerns about the independence of the Federal Reserve, as Trump appears to seek greater control over its monetary policy. Miran must be confirmed by the Senate, and his appointment could provide Trump with the chance to replace the current Fed chair, Jerome Powell, whom Trump has criticized while calling for rate reductions. Topic 3. Global economic uncertainties with new tariffs imposed by Trump affecting markets and trade relations. President Donald Trump has increased global economic uncertainties by imposing new tariffs on dozens of countries. These tariffs are straining relations between the U.S. and major trading partners, particularly affecting ties with India and China. Trump is using tariffs as a diplomatic tool to attempt to halt Russia's war in Ukraine, but experts believe these measures will be insufficient to change Putin's stance. The tariffs may lead to rising prices in the U.S., particularly for automobiles, electronics, and groceries, adding economic pressure on American consumers. Additionally, the tariffs could disrupt global supply chains, challenging Trump's strategy to reduce the U.S. trade deficit. Various countries are attempting to negotiate responses to Trump's tariffs, with some successfully negotiating tariff reductions, while others, like India and Brazil, refuse to yield to Trump's hardline negotiating tactics. This situation adds uncertainty to the global trade environment as countries seek to protect their economic interests. Topic 4. Significant developments in the financial sector with stock market resilience and changes in mortgage rates. In early August 2025, the U.S. economy is experiencing several significant events. Following the release of weak employment data, President Trump dismissed the head of the Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS. GDP growth has slowed in the first half of the year, coinciding with the imposition of tariffs on 70 countries. These events have sparked concerns about a recession and debates over the political independence of economic data. However, the stock market has remained relatively unaffected, with the Nasdaq slightly rising and the S&P 500 and Dow Jones experiencing minor declines, yet still maintaining higher levels than 3 months ago. Investors are optimistic due to strong corporate earnings, the potential for interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve, and expectations that Trump will not reimpose initial tariffs. The economy has avoided wide spot.